This is Honors Geometry, Lesson 2.3, Deductive Reasoning. Deductive reasoning uses facts, definitions, accepted properties, and laws of logic to form a logical argument. We've been using inductive reasoning, which is based on observation, and we were looking for a pattern. Let's compare the two. It asks us to decide whether inductive or deductive reasoning is used to reach the conclusion. The rule at your school is that you must attend all of your classes in order to participate in sports after school. You played in a soccer game after school on Monday, therefore you went to all of your classes on Monday. It's based on facts, and so we're going to say this was a deductive reasoning. For the past 5 years, your neighbor goes on vacation every July 4th and asks you to feed her hamster. You conclude that you will be asked to feed her hamster on the next 4th of July. You're just making an observation. You're observing the pattern. So this is not based on facts, but on observations. So we would call this one inductive reasoning. There's 2 laws of logic I want to talk about. The first one's called the law of detachment. It simply says if the hypothesis of a true conditional statement is true, then you can conclude that the conclusion is also true. So here's an example. It says if today is Wednesday, then I have PE. Today is Wednesday. What can we conclude? That we have PE. That's all there is to it. Be careful. They can't tell you the conclusion is true. I have PE, therefore I can conclude that it's Wednesday. It doesn't work backwards. Maybe you have PE on Wednesday and Thursday. They have to tell you the hypothesis is true, therefore the conclusion is true. It also doesn't work if they tell you the hypothesis is not true. If today is not Wednesday, doesn't mean I necessarily don't have PE. Again, I could have it a different day. If it does not rain, then I will go swimming. It is not raining. I can conclude that I will go swimming. If the measure of angle A equals 90 degrees, then angle A is a right angle. Angle A does equal 90 degrees. I can conclude that angle A is a right angle. Second law is called the law of syllogism. It says if A then B, if B then C are both true, then we can just say that if A then C. We can get rid of the B's in the middle. They're redundant. The way I remember this one is the 2 L's in the middle of syllogism because we have those 2 B's in the middle. So it says if today is Wednesday, then I have PE. If I have PE, then I will see my friend Morgan. What can you conclude? If today is Wednesday, then I will see my friend Morgan. I'm just going to take out the middle. I don't even need it. If the measure of angle A is 90 degrees, then it is a right angle. If it is a right angle, then it is not acute. Again, you could just take those B's right out of there. We don't even need them. If the measure of angle A equals 90 degrees, then it is not an acute angle. Please try the practice problems on Schoology. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.